Well, this one is completed, Richard. This...
What was that? That looked like a donkey or something, that did.
Yeah, donkey.
You know when you trim the dog's foot? That's the sort of noise the dog makes.
Why are we all down this corner?
Because it comes up.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Why are you always pissing me about?
You piss me about, you mean?
Alright, don't go mad.
You're gonna make some big power there.
Fucking King Kong.
What?
King Kong.
What do you say?
You ape.
Where?
You great big ape.
Where? What's up with you?
What's up with you? Jason's swearing at me through the window that you can't see that's just here. What's the matter?
I hate you.
You don't hate me. Get on with it. Do you want a drink?
No.
Are you having a break?
No.
Why are you...
Don't know. Bye.
Bye, Jason, thanks. Do you mean bye as in you're going home, or bye as in you're just going to get on with your job?
No.
You're not going home. He's not going home. If he doesn't eat, he's not going to be able to have a 40-minute poo afterwards, is he?
That's right. Obviously, his ritual is get here late.
He gets, yes.
Get here late, start at 9.
Yeah.
Then he fucking...
Cobslag.
Then cobslag at 9:30. A 15-minute breakfast, followed by a 15-minute poo.
Yeah, when he's finished his poo, he needs to check his phone.
Yeah. So, he generally gets started about 10:30.
Happy then?
Maybe. 213.6.
Are you happy?
Very happy.
Very happy,
Very happy.
Good, good. Well, there you go. Another stage 2 Colt completed. This one's Jason. You know Jason.
Shalom.
Shalom, Jason. Yeah, well done. Well done, everyone. Good stuff. Well, the results are in. And this is Jason's face.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You got to say goodbye in your final video.
This is it. So at the end of this video, this is the final farewell to Jason. As we've said at the beginning of the video, Jason's on to better things. So thanks for coming, Jason.
In my mouth.
In my mouth.
Yeah,
I hope you've learned something.
Yeah.
Good. Well, there you go. That's that. So he's on to better things. So bye, Jason. There, you can go now.
Yeah.
Okay. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the. Yeah. Bye, mate. Don't forget to take your box.
I'll leave that for next time.
Bless him, we will miss Jason. He's been an absolute godsend whilst he's been here. He's a very skilled young man, very good at what he does, and he's moving on to trucks. So he's going for big boy stuff next. But thanks guys for sticking around to the end of the video. If you want to say goodbye to Jason, make sure you stick a goodbye in the comments. He'll be watching. He's going to be an avid fan of Dynodaze, and he will be here again. I'm sure when we map his cars and we see him on a Saturday for a piss about.
Well, yeah. For sure.
There is that.
Every weekend annoying the fuck out of you.
Every weekend annoy the fuck out of us, apparently Jason says, but there you go. Hopefully we see him again, because we do.
Dog shit from the dyno.
We do love him. We don't want none of those ropey old Fiestas and things that you used to bring.
No,
none of that.
No,
none of that. It's
they're
got
banned.
Honda next.
anything that's not attached to its chassis. We don't want to see.
No.
Honda next.
What Honda?
I'll show you.
Do you hear that, boys and girls? He's going for an EP3. It's obvious. It's
Can't
obvious.
afford that, mate.
It's obvious. Can't afford all that. I can't afford all that. Right, so thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Don't forget to say goodbye to Jason. We love him and we'll miss him. And we'll see you all on the next one. Won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.